speak to a large group of extremists who kill Shia in the name of Islam, what would you say to them?
Well, it's not just the Shia. I mean, your question is specific because of school of thought. But in my opinion, any human killed by anybody is my religion. Islam teaches you save a soul, you save the mankind. You kill a soul, you kill the mankind. So what's justification is to kill somebody who doesn't agree with you. I mean, the extremists have killed Sunnis. They have killed all the school of thoughts, whoever doesn't agree with them. So Shia is not just the only specific thing. Whenever they are killing for their goal, and which is nothing to do with the religion, which is nothing to do with any faith. Prophet ﷺ did not kill the people who are his staunchest of the enemies. He did not approve killing of those companions who did wrong. And as we know from the khutbah of Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu, when he came back from Najran, after that he had the fight with the Khawarij, he said that Rasulullah punished people for doing wrong. He cut hand for people stealing. He stoned people for doing adultery. But he is still prayed their salah, and he is still distributed his inheritance to the family, and he did not call them kafir. So what is the justification of declaring somebody and killing? It's not part of our faith, it's not part of our religion, and it is to be condemned universally. And those who are doing it, they're doing it for who? A person, not for God. Allah does not want people to be killed. And it was never part of Islam to begin with. So my opinion is, any extremist, whether it was Sunni or Shia or Christian or Jewish or atheist or any group who goes out and kill innocent people, and even what you call a state-sponsored killing, all of them should be condemned. As a Muslim, we are for peace. Islam means peace. What is Islam? Comes from peace, salam. And what is a Muslim? The one who surrendered to Allah in peace. So how could we be criminal and murdering and killing innocent people and justifying it in the name of Islam? So that is not Islam, as far as I see. It could be anybody's interpretation, but this is not what we learned, we grew up with, what we know of our Prophet and his beloved family and his companion. They didn't kill anybody for no reason. And even for reason, that is only what is justified by the law, has to be punished. That's all.